Hello students and welcome to Brilliant's online edu classes. I am here with the story The Happy Prince of your supplementary book Moments. The Happy Prince, written by Oscar Wilde. Oscar Wilde was born on 16th of October 1854 and died on 30th of November 1900. Oscar Wilde was an Irish poet and playwright. In 1880s, he became one of the popular playwrights in London. He is well known for his brilliant wit and ability to incorporate fantasy and realism into his work. The story, The Happy Prince by Oscar Wilde, is about a prince and a swallow. When the prince was alive, he was very happy. His life was full of joy. The swallow, who was in search of a shelter for the night, meets the statue of the Happy Prince, and the swallow settled there. The statue of the Happy Prince was installed at the top of a tall column in the beautiful city. He was real prince when he was alive. He was happy, joyful, and filled with desires. Actually, he was kept ignorant of suffering outside his palace walls. The statue of Happy Prince was covered in gold. It had beautiful sapphires for eyes and had a ruby attached to the handle of his sword. The statue was adored by all who see him. The statue's placement allowed him to witness the pain, misery, and sufferings of the city. The statue that was once happy now weeps with sadness to see the plight of people in the city. A self-serving swallow bird on its annual migration to Egypt arrives to take overnight shelter beneath the statue, and suddenly tears fell on him. The swallow, eventually affected by the statue's kindness and desire to help others, and therefore it became a messenger to the prince. He carries the gems on the request of the statue to the various people who need help. These needy people include a seamstress, a poor young girl who sells matchsticks, a small boy who was sick, and many poor and starving people. As the statue's gold and gems have been taken and distributed among the poor, the prince is no longer able to see, as his eyes have been removed. But he knows that poverty still exists in the city. The winter sets in, and the swallow dies. It could never reach Egypt and sacrifices its life to bring help to those who are in need. The heart of the prince cracks with sadness at the loss of his dear friend swallow. Having seen the statue in such a poor condition, the powerful people of the city thought that it is no longer useful because it is no longer beautiful. They decided to take it away and to melt in a furnace. The broken heart made of lead couldn't have been melted. Therefore, it was thrown away on a dust heap where the dead swallow had already been thrown. Now, at the end, God asks one of his angels to bring him two most precious things in the city. The angel brought the leaden heart and the dead swallow. So this instance proves that love, sacrifice, and humanity is immortal. The swallow proved to be a true friend of the Happy Prince. It sacrificed its own life. Thank you, students.